In this video, I'm going to talk about the SpinBox from the ttkwidgets library. In fact, it's not a widget that you are supposed to import or to use, and it is used by a color tool or the color tool from the same library, and that I've talked about in this video. In order to be able to use it, I had to do this. So I went to the init of the color module and I added this line to import the SpinBox. So this way you can import it, or I was able to import the SpinBox. So here it is from ttkwidgets.color, import SpinBox. In this video, I'm creating two SpinBoxes. The first one from the ttkwidgets library to install pip install ttkwidget, and the second one is from tk. The code is simple, so I have minimum value, maximum value. Both SpinBoxes are attached to this string var. The initial value is 15, the maximum is 25, minimum 0. There's the width, there's the font, and there's a name here and the text variable. And I also have here a label that will be used to display the value of the SpinBox. And the button, when you click on the button, it will configure the label text property by calling or by assigning the value of the SpinBox by calling the get method. I'm calling the get method of the ttkwidget spin. So when I run the code, here are my two SpinBoxes. So I can increase until 25 if I use the spin buttons, but if I don't use the spin button, I can write any value and I can get the value. This situation is corrected in the color tool by using a specific variable, not a string var, but a limit var. So we have here our values. I can get or call get to get the value and display it on the label. Right now, when we see the SpinBoxes, there is no difference, and the reason is that the SpinBox, the ttkwidget SpinBox, is designed to work with the clamp theme. Now I'm going to comment out this line. So in order to SpinBox from the ttkwidget library to work as it's supposed to do, you have to use the clamp theme. So I created a style, then I called theme use clamp. Now I'm running the same code again with this line commented out. Now if I get or set the value to 5 and I set the SpinBox, you can see that the border changed. If I'm in the inbox and I am out, there's sort of border added. In fact, this SpinBox is constructed using a frame, and there is a border color or border color, dark color, light color from the entry widgets, occupied from the entry widgets and applied on this frame each time we focus in. So it recuperates the entry focus in values, and each time we focus out, they recuperate the focus out entry widget and they assign them to the frame constructed with this SpinBox. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.